जब इसी दिल्ली ने एक बहुत ही दर्द भरी, बहुत ही नृशंस एक घटना झेली थी, निर्भया कांड, तो उस निर्भया कांड में वही व्यक्ति उसमें यह दिखा था कि वो महिला सुरक्षा के पक्ष में कुछ बातें कर रहे थे। और आज वही अरविंद केजरीवाल एक महिला को पीटने वाले को बचाने के लिए, उसको सजा न हो इसके लिए आज सड़कों पे प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं।
अगर वो ऐसे मिलने आ रही हैं बिना अपॉइंटमेंट के, तो उनको मारा पीटा जाता है। हिम्मत कैसे कर दी उन्होंने शहंशाह से मिलने की, सुल्तान साहब से मिलने की हिम्मत कैसे कर दी उनकी पुरानी साथी ने। अगर खुदा ना खास्ता विभव को इन्होंने गिरफ्तारी के लिए भेज दिया होता, तो ऐसे क्या राज थे जो विभव उनका पर्दाफाश करते। और कहीं ये खौफ है केजरीवाल को, इसके चलते ही आप शक्ल देखिए उनकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज देखिए, इसी के चलते वो सड़कों पर आ रहे हैं और विभव को बचाने की पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
कुल मिला के केवल 200-300 लोग आए, अरविंद केजरीवाल कार्यालय से निकले, 5 मिनट धूप में खड़े हुए और भाग गए। आप आज केवल इसलिए आए थे कि स्वाति मालीवाल के ऊपर जो अत्याचार हुआ है उससे आपका ध्यान भटके। आज देश ने जिस अरविंद केजरीवाल को देखा है वो एक डरा हुआ, खोखला आदमी है, जिसके बस की न सत्ता चलाना ईमानदारी से, न पार्टी चलाना, न आंदोलन करना। भागो जितना भाग सकते हो। 1 तारीख की डेट कोर्ट ने दे रखी है और उसके बाद 4 तारीख को जनता आपकी जमानत जब्त कराने जा रही है।
And there's breaking news coming in with regards to the investigation into the assault gate. The FSL team has currently reached the Civil Lines police station. Sources are also telling us that this team could again go to Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence. So Sheesh Mahal is the scene of crime. There is an attempt by investigators to piece together every evidence to find out the exact sequence of events. The police today have 2 complaints. One, that is what Swati Maliwal said, which is converted to an FIR where she went into great detail to talk about the brutal assault by Bibhav Kumar. And the other is that email complaint by Bibhav Kumar where he went on to say that it was Swati Maliwal who barged in without permission. Aam Aadmi Party too for now is backing Bibhav Kumar. But when it comes to the FSL team and the probe, let's go across to Shivani Sharma who's joining us live. And Shivani, the DVR has been taken. There was a police team that came in today. There were about 7 to 8 cops who went in. The focus is on the CCTV footage. The court also observed that formatting of the phone and deleting CCTV footage is speaking volumes about the accused, which is Bibhav Kumar in this case. What's the latest that you're gathering?
Sagarika, I'm outside the Civil Lines police station. Let's show our viewers these vehicles that have lined up, and these are the vehicles of the FSL team that has already arrived here. You remember yesterday also FSL team had visited Delhi Chief Minister's residence, and later Swati Maliwal was also taken there. These are the vehicles of the FSL team which is inside the police station. The investigation is going on quite aggressively because we've been tracking these movements from the Delhi police, the Civil Lines Delhi police station, and now it is being said, Sagarika, that in a short while from now, though the exact time is not alerted by the police, but Bibhav Kumar can be taken possibly to the Chief Minister's residence, and he will be asked the questions about the scene at that time, the scene of crime. The recreation will take place. We already know that he is not cooperating with the investigation. The CCTV has been it has been tampered with, and the mobile has been formatted, and everything now has been observed by the court. The remand copy clearly mentions that Bibhav Kumar has tried to destroy the evidence. Why he was present at CM's residence, he is not officiating. He has already been removed. So there are several questions, and it has also been observed by the court that it was important, inevitable to arrest Bibhav because it was questioned by his lawyer.
Absolutely.
So the court has now
Shivani, continue staying with us. Shivani is reporting from outside the Civil Lines police station where there's movement at this point of time.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? But it's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile lad.
IM+ टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।